Okay guys, so hey my roses, life's been so hectic. I need to go to bed because tomorrow I'm going to rent a U-Haul, pack up our old stuff, and by me I mean literally, like, I'm the one who like packed up the whole place. Like, people want to say, oh, like, yeah, Rosa, you don't work, you do nothing, blah blah blah. Oh really? Whatever. I just want to say also, I'm the one who found us this apartment. Like, yeah, obviously, like, money plays a huge part of it, and my mom is the money who's paying the apartment, paying the truck, paying, but I'm sorry, the labor I'm doing right now is free, you know what I mean? Like, and I'm not, that's not me saying like, oh, pay me, mom, like, obviously not, but I'm saying like, know my worth, know my value, you know what I mean? Like, we found an apartment, by the way. It happened by the faith of God. So basically I found this apartment and it's supposed to be available on July 1st. So I'm ready to live out my luggage. Like, I was gonna pack my luggage and live out of there, sleep at Yolanda's, and we didn't even know if we were gonna get it in July. Like, you never know, because like there's little standards, let's just say, and like we're not hitting all of them. This one, by the way, this is how I know it's God's plan, because when I tell you this apartment is the nicest apartment out of all the apartments we went and see, I'm telling you, we went and see like a big apartment with a bunch of apartments in it. That's the one I hated the most. Like, the apartment was nice, but I didn't like the vibe. We went and see this one that we were in the process of seeing if we could get it, but we needed a co-signer and we don't have anyone. Then we went and see another one that we wanted, but I don't think he liked us. And anyways, I say all of this to say, like, all of them compared to this one are not the same standard, but I'm telling you, the same price. The one we were hoping to get and we were waiting like 5 days to see if we got accepted was, I would say, like, I'm rating, like, you know, like a 7. But the one we got, I love it so much. Like, my room has a closet, a walk-in, like a little walk-in one. You're gonna see it. But anyways, I say that to say, like, that's how you know it's God's plan, because we were denied all these little ones, and then this one guy just gave us a chance with a security deposit. But mind you, the security deposit was offered to the other people too. They just didn't want to take the risk. And this guy, I met him, and let's just say, like, you know, he's like a businessman vibes, you know what I mean? Like, I could tell by his vibe, his like car, his car was giving, ooh, he's Italian. Like, you could tell he's kind of just giving, like, just make sure my rent is paid, you know, don't damage my place, you know. He's chill. Like, he just, like, he doesn't want, like, to get his place damaged or, like, all that. Like, the regular, you know. He's just, like, he's like, I'm cool with giving you a chance, but, like, make sure my place is good. That's his vibe. Like I was saying, so basically we were going to see it because it was for July, though. So in my head, I'm like, okay, like, I have 2 more set up after this one, like, open houses. And I'm like, the one, like, we have to find a place, like, even if it's for July, like, at least, like, we know there's somewhere we're gonna live. Mind you, we only have 4 days, like, had 4 days the day we went and see him. I think it was Saturday, and we have to be out of the house Wednesday. That's the trauma of having a last minute mom. She's very last minute, meaning, like, she knows I'm doing everything, like, packing, so that's why she's not worried about it. Like, I literally packed the whole house, threw out everything. Like, my mom is a mail hoarder, like, mail, like, post office mail. And I get where she gets it, because when I was cleaning out the closet, I found my grandfather's mail, aka her father, from 1990. Yeah, she's a very last minute person. And, like, I feel like if I didn't take up the responsibility to get this all together, everything, like the whole apartment, everything, my mom would have waited until, like, last minute to try to figure out something. And sometimes stuff don't happen, mom, right away, so you have to plan it ahead. So yeah, it was for July. The guy's like, oh, I have 2, like, one for July and one that's empty right now. We're like, oh, right now. And my mom's obviously like, oh, like, we would love to see the one that's empty right now. So he shows us it. instantly in love. Why? Because my room. So I went and rented a U-Haul. I'm gonna show you after. I'm just indulging in some sushi quickly. I woke up early, 9:30. So over here I have some stuff. I'm only gonna bring the stuff I could alone, like my mirror. Don't mind my crock pot. I found it in storage. It's a little dusty now, but I want to do it to make my own bone broth. A few of these bins could come. I did get the smallest truck because I'm sorry, I never drove a truck in my life and I'd rather drive the minivan. Let me show you. Look at my beautiful parking, the way I backed it up perfectly. Oh, it's raining. Nice. So I'm gonna start loading it. Let me show you how spacious. By the way, I saw it on TikTok yesterday when I was doing reviews, watching them. They said license plates always say Arizona on U-Hauls. I thought it was only an American thing until I picked it up and I bought some toilet paper and like a broom and stuff. But yeah, this is it. I think it's gonna be fine. Okay guys, filled up the truck, round one, full. This is what I have left. And this China cabinet. And my dresser and a bunch, like a little, whatever, a lot. Shout out the AC. I'm gonna close it for a minute. So, I feel so tiny in the truck. This is my view, guys. I brought my water, I still have my coffee. I brought it back, I didn't leave it in the car. I brought the sushi. Okay, let's go. I look a mess. I'm hoping by the time I get there, I'm cool. Oh, there's no mirror. I hope I'm cool down, you know. Okay, so let me just get this over because I'm running late. Okay, so step one completed. I got the key. Step two, pick up Michael. So, and his girlfriend, but mostly Michael so he could help me carry all these stuff. Also, we're dropping off the bikes. He doesn't know, but surprise. Okay, it's raining. I don't know if you saw that. I thought it was my dandruff. I was like, I don't have dandruff. Michael always takes so long. Like, I call him and he has do not disturb. Like, who do you think you are? Stay hydrated. And now I'm kind of hungry for my sushi, by the way, because the AC, like, cool me down. By the way, I don't know if this was a little inappropriate when I saw the owner. I felt a little like a slut, to be honest. By the way, guys, look at this purse I found in my mom's closet when I was cleaning. And this keychain, and I hooked it up. I thought it would look cute, like a cute vibe.
What is that? Oh, facts. The bike's there. Come. Come. Bro, open the back.
No, it doesn't. Stop.
Oh my god.
Because you already act like you know what you're doing. It's all gonna fall.
Why can't you open the back?
Because that's not. Put it on the floor.
I can't. I'm disabled.
I hope you're kidding.
I'm not.
You have to help unload the car.
I'll try it.
I'll try. Then don't even get yourself. Say hi to the
Huh? Oh, hi guys. I haven't seen you in a hot minute. Okay, let me do it, because obviously you are in trouble.
I loaded all this on my own.
What are you wearing, dog?
Sorry, do I look skinny?
You look like you haven't done your eyebrows in a while.
First of all, it's not been a while because they're thin, so they need to touch up every week.
Losing 50 pounds got you some. Damn, you were looking a little skinny.
I know, it's so
Hey,
like...
that's crazy.
But look when I suck in.
But you look really tall.
Potential, you see that? Okay guys, I'm gonna film empty house tour. Okay, so you come up these stairs. I'm thinking of putting like a cute family photo there. You come up and then we go straight to here. Here is our, is there a light? Yeah. Our laundry room. My mom's room. My room. I have the biggest room because I needed the closet space.
Okay.
Hold on. Then
Let's get going so I can prove my worth and have a room in here.
Emma's room.
No, but for real, hear me out, guys. One room, one bed,
No.
another. I'll sleep in the attic.
Then you go back here. There's what we're calling Michael's room.
For now, until I
But
actually
Michael's
move
room
back in.
slash storage or just your room?
We're going to sleep on the couch and have a little desk in there. I doubt Mom's going to actually buy a bed.
Yes, she wants to buy the camping bed.
I see it more like I would
So,
sleep on the couch. So
After you come up the rooms you saw, then you go over here. We have our beautiful washroom with a bathtub. I'm gonna have Sunday little bath times. Then we have our kitchen. Peep the pantry, guys. I never lived like this in my life. Literally, I never lived like this in my life.
I wish I was living like this. I can look at this.
That's our dining room.
Cooking with Ro would go
I
crazy.
know. And like the lighting.
You just have a camera. Hey guys.
I know.
So fresh.
This is our living room.
We all actually need to take care of this thing. But actually, I could hook up you guys with that barbecue for real. I haven't been trying out the barbecue now.
So, and then our porch. I'm gonna do a little flower garden.
So like, I feel like there's a bad vibe in that garden.
Mommy's like, keep it.
What the hell? Okay,
I know.
You can't be living bummy in this crib.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna start.
By
the way, did you watch the Conor McGregor movie? Yes. I watched it. He's such a loser.
He's the best part of it.
It was hilarious. I liked it. Those are for pans and pots. Okay, well, let's go. I don't want you to be the first one to use our toilet.
That's why I'm doing it. Oh my
okay, hurry. I'm going to start bringing stuff to the stairs. You heard me? I'm going to start bringing stuff to the stairs. Okay,
no, no, don't start anything. I have to do a quick pee, bro.
Okay, but don't start breaking stuff. So yeah, guys, this is it. So this is my room. I'm thinking, I don't know if I should put my bed like standard or put my bed here so I have all the extra room. I'm not sure yet. Would my bed fit there though? I think it might. We'll test it out with my headboard that I'm giving Emma now. And if that fits, that means it fits. My closet is huge. Well, huge for me. I never had a big closet. And you know how you know it's fancy? There's a light. Guys, it's 8 p.m. Me and Mike are exhausted. We didn't eat nothing all day. I found this sausage I bought earlier. We brought the china cabinet up. A bunch of stuff here. This is mine. I have to bring it in my room. Michael's setting up his room already. Like he's so cute. Look at that heifer's doing. Look at him. You want? Cap. He said he doesn't want a piece. Sure, I know Michael. That's mine. I think those are mine. Those are mine. That's mine. I really brought all my stuff. And then Emma. So I'm bringing Michael back home. Did you have a fun time? If you dreamt this and this is how it would go, but it's happening tomorrow, would you come?
No.
You promise?
I promise.
That's crazy.
I just don't care.
But I need help. Okay, guys. Filled the car up like with so much stuff. Well, as much as like I could. I have to come back at least one more time, but maybe two. My hands hurt so much. I'm dreading the thought of bringing them upstairs. Tonight I have to stop by and Michael's drop him off his tuxedo because his dad passed away. Yeah, so tomorrow's his funeral and he wants to wear it. I have to stop and pick up my acne pills. I feel like I look disgusting and sweaty. Hopefully this wears out on the drive. Guys, so I was going to the car to get the last few stuff. Today's like day 3 of moving. We started Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Friday, day 4. I brought the last stuff at the house in the car last night, but I didn't feel like bringing it all up, so I'm going to get the last stuff. What comes? Some packages my mom ordered. 3 boxes. So who had to go up and down those stairs 3 times? Me. Again. But let me show you. It's not even going up and down the stairs. It's going up with that heavy thing. Like, and there's stairs outside. Like, it's not just me, you know, my problem. There's about like almost 30 stairs. Okay, but I wanted to show you. So I'm opening this box. I'm like, what did my mom get, you know? And I see a Ninja Creamy. I thought it was creamer, but it's a Ninja Creamy. I really thought it was a Ninja Creamer. I see these all over TikTok. And she got one. I thought my mom got like this indoor chair, like, cause she did get one for the living room, but it's actually outdoor. I built one. Took me about a minute. I'm not really sure how to place it. Like, I think the 2 chairs will look cute here. One here, and the table. And then I move my garden rack on this side. But then I feel like it's kind of blocking. I'm not sure. Okay guys, so basically the old tenant abandoned the table, that and this. My mom's like, wash the garbage, let's keep it. I don't know, I don't think so. So Chad, we're gonna throw this, and I'm thinking, do we need the table? Like, we're gonna eat inside, like.